Today we're going to be following up our fender series by doing the front fenders and bolting them on. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So in the last video we worked on the rear fenders. Today we're going to be working on the front fenders, and we have to make sure that they're positioned a certain way and do some clearance and get these things dialed in, and hopefully be drilling through the panels, getting the bolts in, and getting the car on the ground. Let's hop to it.
To cut just a little bit of clearance. Then I'm going to verify that this still all lines up, and then I'm going to make the fender get further away from the tire, do another hole or another marking so I get an idea of the direction of where this thing's going, and then we'll solidify it. Alright, there you have it. Got the front fenders on. Got the bolts in. I didn't put any nuts on because I still have the clamps on there, but it's really hard to get a nut all the way in there when it's 7-8 inches away. Later on this will be cut out, so it'll be easy to get to, but and it's not too bad. Hard to see up there, but they're just sticking out enough to get a nut on. Should be good to go. So the next thing I'm going to do is put this on rollers, and then we're going to have to draw in the lines of what the fender's going to finally look like, and we're going to do one side only. And once we get that one side done, I'll probably do a paper trace and flip it over and put it on the other side, and understand that it might be a hair different, but it'll give us a good starting point for symmetry. So we're looking good. So yes, I have dreams of the car rolling accidentally and sliding into the side of the door, or being in the driveway and then just rolling out to the center of the street, which of course once it hits a curb it would fall off and dive and scrape the bottom. But I still think it's cool to put it on rollers.